Can you confirm that there were people arrested and booked at the OB?
That is correct.
Give the names of the people who were booked.
My name, can I seek assistance?
Madam, help my eyes. Please. When you grow up, even mine are can't see unless just read for us the names of the people booked.
We have Jackson Kariuki. We have Justin Muturi.
Wait. The first one is?
Jackson Kariuki.
Yes.
We have Justin Muturi.
Yes.
We have Marcus Mushiri.
Yes.
Whoever is typing, whatever, just come sit here at the table and do what you're doing. I can hear that noise somewhere.
I think it's the table dancing.
Trust me, it is not the table. Whoever it is.
Typewriter, somebody.
Yes, thank you. You've even mentioned what it is. Just sit here, yeah, and get on with it so that we are not distracted.
Right.
Yeah, so go on. So Jackson Karaoke, and then the other one is Justin Muturi.
Yes.
Okay.
We have Marcus Mushiri. Christopher Njue. Kennedy Mukami.
Kennedy Mukami.
Yes.
Yes.
Mukami. We have Simon Mushangi. Patrick Terer. And Moses Nana.
You are aware those people were booked, that they were arrested?
Correct.
How are they described here to be? Is anybody described as a bartender?
Yeah, there was one.
There's one who was described. I want who has been described as a bartender. Either a caretaker or something.
Just a minute.
So you confirm one
Just a
was
minute.
a bartender.
Yes, correct.
Did
you get to know the deceased?
Hold on, Counsel. After the names that have been read out, I only had the word bartender. What question did you ask?
I'm asking who is identified as a bartender. Are you able to get it there?
What is written after the names is now searched and placed in lawful custody by PC Cherono and PC Hillary, appearing drunk.
He can I show you where the bartender is.
Take action against Emau Nyoroka for the offense of operating bar after the stipulated time.
What is the name?
Imeandikwa Emau Nyoroka.
Emau Nyoroka. And the offense is?
For the offense of operating bar after the stipulated time.
Thank you. Let us follow that line. Are you aware where the two deceased young men were arrested from?
I was not aware.
Huh?
I was not aware.
Have you now become aware? You were not aware that time.
Yes.
Now I'm asking you, have you now become aware where they were arrested from?
Yes, I will not dispute because I don't have facts.
Yeah, what, can you tell the court where they were arrested from? The deceased. I'm more interested about the two deceased young men.
Your Honor, I do not know whether their names are here or not.
No, they are not there. They are not there. They are not there. The deceased can't be here.
Okay.
Yes. They were arrested from that bar.
I can't tell because I've got no information.
Let's proceed on the other line. These people who were arrested, are you aware they were taken to court?
Yes, they were.
They were taken to which court?
Embulo courts.
Embulo courts. And they were charged.
Yes, you are, my lord.
Thank you. Did you have a chance to interview them? Did you see them?
Yeah, two. I talked to two of
You
them.
talked to
two. No, I cannot recall their names.
Yeah, you talked to. Yeah. What did they tell you?
There is one who told me that he was seated next to the two deceased persons.
Yes.
And on the way, he heard them talking to each other, telling them to Jiokoe.
To Jiokoe?
To Jiokoe.
Yes.
That is the word they used.
Yes.
Then they jumped one by one.
This is what they told you.
Yes.
Was it reduced to a statement?
I remember recording because at least all the suspects recorded their statements, I think.
My good friend Martina Swiga will show you the statements that you recorded. No. Just I'll give you.
Okay.
So you confirm these are eyewitnesses who saw the deceased before they died.
That is correct, my lady.
And they are very critical people in identifying the circumstances of the death of these two young men.
Correct.
You have been a police officer for all of them.
Now 35 years.
How many?
34 years.
You've done a good job for this country. Congratulations. Have you been an investigator?
Yes.
Will such two eyewitnesses fail to come to court to testify what they saw if you are an investigator?
No, they won't because
They must.
they must.
Let's move again. You have described your police vehicle. Give the court the number of the police registration vehicle.
It was a GK277 letter T,
Which make?
a Toyota Land Cruiser.
On top of the cabin, how is it insulated? There is the front where the driver sits.
Yes.
Then describe the behind of the driver.
Or it is detached from the body.
Yes.
Just a minute again. The registration number of the Toyota Land Cruiser.
Help the court, the registration of the
Or GKB 277 letter T.
Okay, go on.
So I'm asking, the behind, there is no assumption here. We want us to get it graphically. Describe the behind of the Toyota Land Cruiser, where the prisoners or your officers were sitting.
Okay, the behind has got some rails running across. And it has a tarpaulin of the canvas, what we normally refer as hammer.
Yes.
And it is used to cover, that is the rear body.
All right. Two people told you that the deceased jumped from the Land Rover. Was the Land Rover moving or stationary?
It was in motion.
It was in motion. That is the evidence that these people told you. And they told you these people said to jiokoe. From the way you have described the vehicle, is there a possibility that somebody jump?
Yes, there is.
There is a possibility of somebody jumping. You have been a police officer for long, 34 years.
Yes, my lady.
When a police Land Rover is carrying prisoners, already here, this Land Rover, if this OB is true, it had how many prisoners?
10.
10. It had 10 prisoners. How many police officers were on duty in that vehicle?
It was 6.
There were 6. How many police officers, according to your police standing orders, are allowed to sit at the driver's cabin?
2.
2.
Plus the driver 3.
Plus the driver 3. So if we eliminate the 3 who are seated in front, how many drivers were in the cabin behind? How many police officers?
There were 3.
There were 3. Can you describe the seating arrangement? We have 10 prisoners. We have 3 police officers. Is there any way the police manual describes where the police should sit or stand when they have prisoners in a police Land Rover?
And they should be seated at the exit to guard against escape.
They must be at the exit. Is this police Land Rover at the cabin having lights? Are there lights?
No.
It
doesn't have.
There's no light. So we have 10 prisoners seated. These are the ones who are booked at 10.
They were booked at 8.
8 were booked. So 2, we don't know who they are because they never reported, they were never brought to the police station.
Yes.
Could the policeman seated or the police lady seated at the exit of the Land Rover and it is raining? True?
Pardon?
The rains are dropping.
Yes.
It is at night.
Yes, correct.
The policemen and policewoman are seated at the exit.
Yes.
Could they see if somebody mysteriously jumps?
No, they can't.
They can't see. You are shown photos of the bodies. Have a look at it. I'm asking you about where the bodies are lying. That will be my last question. I release you to the other advocates. You've seen where the bodies are lying.
Yes.
Which side of the road are they lying?
On the left.
On the left-hand side.
Yes.
I think there's some drilling,
Harold, tell them, stop.
some construction going on. The bodies are lying on the left-hand side of the road. True?
Yes, correct.
The vehicle, you told the court, it was coming from which direction?
It was coming from Manyata heading towards Bufori.
Manyata heading to?
Bufori.
The court might.
Bufori, or we had a Karau police post there in that Bufori area.
Bovori.
Yes.
And the police vehicle, the Land Rover, was it left-hand driven or right-hand driven?
The right hand driven.
It was the right hand. On the road of Kenya, the police vehicle is supposed to be on which side of the road?
On the left.
On the left.
You are left.
So, if this theory that the boys jumped is true, which side of the road could they jump to?
Left.
Why would they not jump to the right-hand side?
It is because
My
there-
lady, I wish to object to that line
Okay,
of
very well,
cross-examination
very well,
examination because it is based on opinion.
It's okay, it's okay,
And
it's
it is
okay.
not-
It's okay. Here is our road. I've given you a sample of our road. Okay?
Yes.
Confirm that the road you are talking to is not a dual carriage road.
Yeah, it is not a dual.
It is not a dual carriage road. What type of road was it? They are either one way or a dual.
No, it's a one way,
Yes.
but we have a yellow line in between to divide it into two.
Yes.
So that the vehicles facing different directions can move.
On the right-hand side, confirm that the vehicles heading this side will be driving this side.
Yes,
And the vehicles climbing will be driving on the left-hand side.
correct.
And anybody jumping will be going to sure death if he wants to jump to the right-hand side.
My lady, that is still an opinion. I object.
Very
to
well,
that.
the court has captured that.
Counsel, who is answering the questions?
I've avoided that. The state has really fought that. I've avoided that.
Let's allow the witness to
Okay.
give the answers so that I write.
Tell the court the type of road that we are dealing with.
Okay, it is a tarmac road that can be used maybe by two vehicles going on different direction at a time.
And which side of the road
Opposite.
were the bodies?
It was on the left side.
It was on the left side. And the police vehicle was driving on which side of the road?
On the left.
My lady, I have no further questions. I will allow my